In the world of digital, a smaller size is always better. Sure, creatives and video professionals will always chase greater pixel counts and larger raw files. However, the real trick everyone wants is to make those large files smaller and more manageable. You may be thinking, how can that be possible? Well, it can be possible through compression. You might be looking for a way to compress your video without affecting the quality too much. Great! You are in the right video. There are many tools and typical ways to compress video. However, not all of them can maintain the good quality of the video. So today, we present to you the ASISIFT Video Converter Ultimate. This tool has a video compressor feature where you can compress video easily. You can control the size and bitrate of the video you will compress. This means you can minimize the quality loss while compressing. You can set the output format, rename the clip, narrow the size, adjust the resolution, and change the bitrate sample rate without hassle. To get this tool, visit www.asisift.com/videoconverterultimate or simply click the link in the description. Download this tool, and we will show you how to compress videos with high quality. To begin, open the tool you've downloaded. Select the Toolbox tab among the other options. You will see a variety of features that can resolve any video issues. Among them, choose the Video Compressor tool. Once you enter the tool, click the plus sign icon to add the video you want to compress. After that, you will enter the settings to compress the video. You can change the name file by renaming it. To change the size of the video, click the up or down button if you want to decrease or increase the video size by 1 MB, or you can use the slide bar to adjust the video to a certain size. As you change the video size, the bitrate will also change. Also, you can change the video format and resolution by clicking the drop-down button of the Format and Resolution option. You can see the video output by clicking the Preview button to check it. Once satisfied, click the Compress button and wait for the process. As easy as that, your video is now compressed. Today, many people are looking to make large video files smaller, so that they can still store them on their device storage without worry. If you are one of them, compress your video with ASISIFT Video Converter Ultimate. You can minimize the quality loss to maintain the good quality of your video. So, what are you waiting for? Get ASISIFT Video Converter Ultimate now. For more helpful videos, visit our channel ASISIFT. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.